Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we are comparing two powerful tools and they are Photopea and Pixlr, that is Pixlr. So let's get into it. If you're looking for the best free online photo editor but you're not sure which between these two to choose, well, that's what this video is for. Let's look at the price. Now, if we look at the price, Photopea is 100% free. Pixlr, on the other hand, is free, but it also has paid plans. When we look at their interface, Photopea has Photoshop-like interface. That's right. It gives you a professional feel. While Pixlr is simpler and is user-friendly. When you look at their tools, Photopea has advanced tools like layers, pen tools, and stuff like that, while Pixlr is great for quick edits. When we look at their templates, Photopea has limited templates, while Pixlr has tons of presets and stickers. When we look at their speed, Photopea is fast and lightweight, while Pixlr is slightly slower and has ads. When we look at mobile app, Photopea does not have a mobile app, while Pixlr does. When we look at the AI features, Photopea has basic filters, while Pixlr has AI cutout and auto fix. And lastly, look at who they're best for. Well, Photopea is best for pros and Photoshop lovers, but that want a free version of it, while Pixlr is for beginners and social media edits. In summary, Photopea is like a mini Photoshop, perfect for pros who need layers and precision, and don't forget it's free. While Pixlr is super fun with AI magic and easy templates for Instagram. If you want power, Photopea, but if you want speed and style, Pixlr. Try both and let me know your pick below. See you in the next one.